Let's be clear, a Rolls-Royce isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's not about getting from A to B, it's about how you arrive. This is a 2.5-ton sculpture, crafted for those who value style over practicality. Rolls-Royce doesn't chase performance stats, it chases waftability, the art of gliding in serene luxury. The Goodwood factory is more cathedral than car plant, where tradition rules and time is an ingredient. Here, artisans in white coats work with patience, not speed, perfecting every detail by hand. Every car is a months-long commission, not a product off a shelf. Human hands polish wood, stitch leather, and obsess over details invisible to most. In a world of instant gratification, Rolls-Royce stands for patience and perfection. Customers wait months, knowing they're not just buying a car, they're commissioning a work of art. Every detail is scrutinized, every finish flawless. This is luxury that can't be rushed, a philosophy that's almost mad in today's world. The result, a car that's less a vehicle and more a moving masterpiece. Rolls-Royce is a monument to taking one's time, to doing things right. It's a refreshing, almost rebellious approach in the 21st century, and that's what makes a Rolls-Royce so utterly special. Every Rolls-Royce begins with a pencil, not a computer. Designers sketch the spirit of the car, its long bonnet, powerful stance, and iconic grille by hand. These sketches capture emotion and presence that no software can replicate. Proportion is everything. The 2-to-1 wheel-to-body ratio defines every model's unmistakable look. Once the sketch is right, clay modelers sculpt full-size forms, refining every curve by hand. Millimeters are shaved, reflections studied, and perfection is pursued obsessively. Only when the form is flawless does the process move to digital design. It's a dialogue between art and engineering, pencil and pixel, clay and code. Designers honor the past while shaping the future, balancing tradition with innovation. The result is a car that's both timeless and modern. Every new Rolls-Royce is a new chapter in a century-old story. It all starts with the gentle scratch of a pencil, a quiet beginning for a car that makes a big statement. This is design as art, not just engineering, and it's why a Rolls-Royce always looks and feels like a Rolls-Royce. Construction starts with aluminium, lots of it. The space frame chassis is a bespoke, rigid structure, unique to Rolls-Royce. Over 200 aluminium sections are welded together, much of it by hand. Welds are sanded smooth until seams disappear, perfection you'll never see but always feel. This architecture of luxury isn't shared with any other car. It gives engineers total freedom. Every dimension is tailored for ride comfort and grace. The body in white is assembled slowly, checked by lasers and human eyes for absolute precision. Even the tiniest misalignment is unacceptable. Squeaks and rattles are forbidden. This obsessive attention to the car's skeleton sets the stage for everything else. It's the silent, strong foundation of true luxury. Rolls-Royce builds from the inside out, ensuring every journey feels like magic. That's the secret behind the legendary Magic carpet ride. Choosing a Rolls-Royce color isn't about picking from a chart. It's about imagination. With over 44,000 standard colors and the option to create your own, the possibilities are endless. Paint is applied in up to 20 layers, each hand sanded for a flawless, mirror-like finish. The process takes a week and the paint can weigh over 100 pounds. The finishing touch? The coach line. A perfectly straight, hand-painted line by Mark Court, the only man trusted for the job. He paints it freehand in one stroke, using special brushes. Robots provide consistency, but human hands deliver perfection. The result is a finish so deep and rich, it turns heads everywhere. Every Rolls-Royce paint job is a work of art, built layer by painstaking layer. It's not just color, it's a statement of individuality and craftsmanship. That's why a Rolls-Royce gleams like nothing else on the road. Step inside and you enter a world of wood, leather and metal, crafted to perfection. Veneers come from a single tree, ensuring a seamless grain throughout the cabin. Craftspeople bookmatch and lacquer the wood, creating a piano-like shine. The dashboard grain flows into the doors, a subtle, stunning detail. Only the finest alpine bull hides are used for leather, free from blemishes. Leather is laser-cut for precision, but stitched by hand for artistry. Customers choose from hundreds of colors and stitching options for a truly personal touch, and even the floor mats, a deep pile lamb's wool, inviting you to go barefoot. Chrome organ stop air vents, real metal switches, and the retractable Spirit of Ecstasy complete the experience. Every surface is satisfying to touch and beautiful to behold. This is a cabin built to indulge every sense. It's not just luxury, it's sensory perfection. The Starlight headliner is pure Rolls-Royce magic. A starry sky, recreated in your car's ceiling. Hundreds or thousands of fiber optic lights are hand-fitted into the leather roof, each one placed for perfect twinkle. Standard patterns take over 17 hours to create, but customers can commission their own constellations, even shooting stars. The brightness is adjustable, setting the mood for any journey. It's whimsical, utterly unnecessary, and completely brilliant. This feature blends old-world craftsmanship with modern tech just to delight and surprise. Every drive becomes a magical experience under your own private galaxy. It's luxury for the sake of wonder, and that's the Rolls-Royce philosophy in a nutshell. At the heart is a 6.75-litre, twin-turbo V12. Not for speed, but for effortless, silent power. Each engine is hand-assembled by one technician, then rigorously tested for perfection. Rolls-Royce doesn't boast horsepower, it promises adequate power. A classic understatement. The real marvel is silence. Hydraulic dampers, 130 kilograms of sound deadening, and double-glazed glass create near-total quiet. Even the tires have acoustic foam to hush road noise. The suspension reads the road ahead, adjusting in real time for a magic carpet ride. The transmission anticipates hills and corners, shifting seamlessly. All this tech works invisibly, serving one goal: supreme comfort. You glide, not drive. It's engineering in the service of serenity. That's the Rolls-Royce difference. Personalization at Rolls-Royce goes far beyond paint and trim. The Bespoke program turns wild dreams into reality. If it's legal and safe, they'll do it. From wood sourced from your own estate to a million-stitched rose embroidery, nothing is too extravagant. The team collaborates with clients, turning sketches and samples into one-of-a-kind creations. Some cars feature art, diamonds, or even custom picnic hampers. Each Rolls-Royce becomes a rolling expression of its owner's personality. This is more than buying a car, it's commissioning a personal masterpiece. In a world of mass production, true luxury is individuality. That's the ultimate Rolls-Royce experience. What truly sets a Rolls-Royce apart? It's not one thing, it's everything. The hand-welded frame, the flawless paint, the single-tree veneers, the silent V12, all combine into something greater. It's a philosophy. If it's worth doing, it's worth perfecting. Time is the ultimate luxury, and Rolls-Royce invests it in every car. These are heirlooms, not disposable products. Many are still on the road decades later. Rolls-Royce doesn't chase trends, it aims for timelessness. Every detail is about refinement, elegance, and confidence in its own identity. From first sketch to final polish, it's human skill and passion that breathe life into each car. In an automated world, this is a celebration of the human touch. That's why a Rolls-Royce feels so different, so special. It's not just a car, it's a masterpiece. The undisputed pinnacle of automotive luxury. And that's why a Rolls-Royce is, and always will be, a Rolls-Royce.